हेलो एवरीबॉडी, वेलकम टू वेदीफाई। मैं हूं आपकी दोस्त और होस्ट पहेली। डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू प्रेस बेल आइकन टू सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल एंड गेट एवरी चैप्टर, एवरी एक्टिविटी ऑन द सेम चैनल वेदीफाई। सो विदाउट एनी वेट, लेट्स स्टार्ट आज का चैप्टर।
Class 9th, Chapter 3. What is an ion? Can you see this oxygen atom? This oxygen atom is neutral. क्या आपने नाम सुना है NaCl का? Yes, NaCl means नमक, salt. ये वही नमक है जो किचन में खाना बनाने के काम आता है। Okay, I'm going to pick a particle of NaCl. This particle has so many NaCl. If I dissolve this NaCl into water, it is converted into Na plus and Cl minus. So this positive and negative charged particles are called as ions. So here Na plus is positively charged and Cl minus is negatively charged. Can you tell me the charge on potassium ion? It is denoted as K plus. Yes, this is +1. What about silver? Ag plus? Yes, it is +1. What about copper? Yes, it is again +1. So here, sodium, potassium, silver and copper all are positively charged ions and their value is +1. तो क्या सभी पॉजिटिव आयंस के ऊपर +1 चार्ज होता है? आपकी दादी या मम्मा जब डॉक्टर को दिखाने जाती होंगी कभी तो उन्हें डॉक्टर ने बताया होगा कि कैल्शियम की कमी है। This calcium is present in the bones and this calcium is indicated by Ca+2. That means it is having +2 charge. और आपकी मम्मा जो रोज बोलती है कि ग्रीन वेजिटेबल्स खाओ, ग्रीन वेजिटेबल्स खाओ, तो ऐसा क्या होता है ग्रीन वेजिटेबल में? Yes, iron. And this iron is written as Fe+2. और इसके अलावा भी बहुत सारी ऐसी खाने की चीजें जो हमारे लिए बहुत यूजफुल होती है, लाइक स्पिनच और एप्रिकोट्स। Why? Because they have zinc. And zinc is denoted as Zn+2. इसके अलावा गुआवा और कीवी जो फ्रूट्स हैं उनमें सबसे ज्यादा कॉपर मिलता है and copper is denoted as Cu+2. So magnesium, calcium, zinc, iron and copper, these all are +2 positive charged ions. Likewise, जो एल्यूमिनियम फॉइल होता है वो एल्यूमिनियम से बनता है, तो ये जो एल्यूमिनियम है इसको हम डिनोट करते हैं Al+3। लाइकवाइज कुछ आयरन भी Fe+3 फॉर्म में रहते हैं। सो ऑल दीज आयंस लाइक सोडियम, पोटेशियम, कैल्शियम, सिल्वर, कॉपर, मैग्नीशियम, जिंक, आयरन, कॉपर, एल्यूमिनियम, these all are positively charged ions. What about negative charge ions? Chloride, bromide, iodide, they are negatively charged ions. What is H minus? Yes, this is hydride. It is again negatively charged ion. Oh, I forgot to mention about H plus ion. That is proton. That is hydrogen ion. So proton is positively charged ion and hydride is negatively charged ion. What about oxide and sulfide? So oxide is denoted as O minus 2 and sulfide is denoted as S minus 2. Nitrite is denoted as N minus 3. So sodium, potassium, silver, copper, magnesium, calcium, zinc, iron, copper, aluminium, hydride, chloride, bromide, iodide, oxide, sulfide, nitride. These ions consist of a single charged atom. Can you tell me a group of atoms that have a net charge on them? Yes, this is ammonium, NH4+. It seems that the positive charge is on hydrogen atom, but actually it is on nitrogen. So ammonium is a group of atoms that have a net charge on them. So, a group of atoms carrying a charge is known as a polyatomic ion. So, here more than one atom are present in ammonium ion, hence called as polyatomic ions. Can you guess any other example of polyatomic ions? Hydrogen carbonate. Can you tell me how many atoms are there in hydrogen carbonate? It is 3. Hydrogen, carbon and oxygen. So it is a polyatomic ion because it is having a -1 charge and it is written as HCO3-. But what about sulfate? Sulfate is written as SO4-2. So can you guess here how many atoms are there? So it is sulfur and oxygen. So it is a polyatomic ion. Next example is phosphate, PO4-3. So it is again a polyatomic ion made up of more than one atom. One is phosphate and other is oxygen. And this PO4 is negatively charged ion. So a negatively charged ion is called an anion and the positively charged ion is called as cation.